SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is supermicrocomputer stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately looking at this, it's a solid bullish market, I can tell you that. On the way up, I've gotten like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longs. I've gotten 3 wins, 2 losses, and 1 break even. The most recent one was so clean, so clean. Let me show you proof. Right, so this was made pre-market yesterday, 5:02 a.m. Eastern time, before market opened. And what I wanted to see the price give me is the pull. Yeah, it's already pulled down, so I wanted to take it further up. And guess what happened? Exactly that. And this video was made 20 hours ago. So just before market open now. That's that. It was a beautiful dub. And with this in mind, all I'm looking to do is further take things higher, right? And it really depends is whether I'll get my rules met and there's going to be a double break here, so I can actually do that sort of thing. If it doesn't, then so be it, you know. Like, we're so close to this top, I'm just willing to squeeze the most juice that I can out of it. So I have a lot of receipts with SMCI in my Discord, so there's like no questions there. 95 results. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.